In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write, run, and refine code with Claude Code. First, open the Claude Code website or its companion app. If you're new, create an account. Otherwise, sign in with your existing credentials to reach the main workspace. From the dashboard, start a fresh workspace by selecting New Project or New File. You'll be prompted to choose a programming language. Pick what you need, such as Python or JavaScript. Next, give your file a clear name, like main.py for Python. Meaningful names make it easier to find and manage files later, especially as your project grows. Now you're in the editor. You can begin typing code directly, or ask Claude to generate it for you. To have Claude write something specific, type a prompt in natural language. For example, try. Write a Python script that reads a text file and prints lines containing error. Claude will draft the code and place it in the editor. You can refine its behavior by being precise about what you want. If you care about case sensitivity or performance, say so in your prompt. You can also treat the editor like a conversation. Add comments or messages such as optimize this code, fix the errors, or explain what this function does. Claude will respond with edits, explanations, and suggestions right in your file. Review the changes it proposes, and feel free to ask follow-ups to tweak style, structure, or clarity. When you're ready to test, click the Run button at the top of the interface. The program's output will appear in the console window below. This area shows printed results, logs, and any error messages. If something goes wrong, read the error message carefully. It usually points to a specific line and gives a short description of the issue. Then ask Claude, why am I getting this error? It will break down the cause, suggest fixes, and often provide corrected code. Apply the recommendation, run again, and iterate until the output matches your expectations. Small, frequent runs make debugging faster and clearer. Once your code is in a good place, preserve your work by selecting Export, Download Code, or Save locally. This lets you use the files in your own environment, integrate them into